This picture is what used to be my phone. Instead of storing it in my drawer after no longer using it, I decided to list it online, and it didn't take long before someone purchased it. That someone unknowingly gave my phone a new life. In the past years, the used phone industry has been growing at a steady rate and has been estimated by the Persistence Market Research to reach the value of approximately $143.8 billion by 2031. Clearly, the reused market is nothing shy of prolific. Similarly, each of us has the power to revive or repurpose pretty much anything we desire. In this video, I've put together some highlights that might interest you. Let's dive right in. Have you ever resold anything? If not, you're missing out. Not only is reselling items an easy way to make an extra buck, but also a way of putting a smile on someone's face. Not to mention the fact that some things are surely better off being used elsewhere rather than taking up extra space. On the other hand, you can also participate as a consumer. Regardless of the reselling party you purchase from, you'll be getting a ton of benefits. Nowadays, it's easier than ever to get a really good deal on a plethora of products. Whether you're looking for furniture, musical instruments, or electronics, eBay and Facebook Marketplace have it all. Each of the latter comes not only as a site, but also as an app, which is free to download and simple to use whether you're looking to sell or purchase. Both these are sites I've used in the past and have had wonderful experience with. Did you know that in the UK alone, it's estimated that approximately 140 million pounds of used, but still wearable clothing makes its way to the landfill every year? Quite shocking, and yet so much of what we throw away can serve someone else instead. Even though eBay and Facebook Marketplace each have a fashion section on their own, there's still sites solely dedicated to reselling clothes and accessories. Here's my top 3: Swap, Vinted, and ThredUp. All three come as a site, Vinted also as an app, and all of them with one purpose: giving items a new life. Make sure to check them out and see which one you like the best. What's another thing you can do with items you no longer use? Craft. Even though not everyone has an artistic vision, the internet has projects for everyone. Online, there's countless videos and blogs showing you how to create all sorts of items, ranging from small decorations to large furniture. Really, there's no limit to what you can make. In the description, I'll leave a link to some amazing lists with crafty ideas. Here's some of my favorites, such as this lovely futon made with old wooden pallets, and tires transformed into these outdoor seats. I personally love crafting. The last picture is a small bowl for keys I made from a coconut shell a few months ago. However, alt isn't always better. There's simply some things we can't go without that we can't keep on using forever. Or can we? If you use a reusable version of a product you would otherwise only use once for a long enough time, you can significantly decrease your waste as well as the resources required for its production. Here's some highlights of eco-friendly products I found online. With this reusable ear swab from Last Object, you'll never have to worry about having to buy new ones again. Or what about keeping your bread fresh without wasting plastic bags time and time again? You can reuse this washable bread bag from Anya all you want. And buying new soap? Just use the same flask such as this one from Blue Land over and over and fill it up in your local wrapping-free store. As you see, there's reusable versions of almost anything. In the description, you'll find links for all of these and more. None of us is perfect. It's almost certain that you and I are going to waste something that could have been saved. But no worries, being more resourceful isn't about working harder, but smarter. The next time you're about to throw something away or are about to purchase a new product, try to encourage yourself to look for a different way around it. So what do you think? Did any of these catch your attention? And don't forget, you can make a difference.